Hi! In front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, select keyboard and input method. Tap on manage keyboards and the keyboard. Now just tap on text correction. Scroll down and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you can turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!